Good afternoon over there. You're welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content for you. Let's talk about how to become an expert as a beginner. So, how to become an expert as a beginner if you are starting a fish farm, maybe like you have no experience and you want to start, you are really interested in fish farm and you want to start the fish farm. So how to become an expert when you just start afresh as a novice, as a beginner. So how to become an expert. So there are several ways to become an expert, but I'll just teach you, give you an easy way to do that. So the simplest thing you can do is you don't start from the scratch. You don't start from getting, maybe you're the person that introduced this business to you, maybe the person is getting something like a fry or rather fingerlings or post fingerlings to rear, and the person I encourage you as a new person, as a beginner, that you should go and get that size too. That will affect you if you are to start with that, because you really don't have much experience and you don't know much about the business. You don't know much about their character, you don't know much about their feeding, you don't know everything. So how to keep them, how to maintain them, you don't know how to go about it. So if you start from that level, it will likely affect you. So that is how I will tell you, that is why I'm going to tell you to start from juvenile. If you are to start as a beginner, you start from juvenile, or rather you get an expert that will help you raise them to jumbo size before you pack it from their place. So that will easily help you to rear your fish successfully. But if you are starting from the scratch, like starting from the smaller ones, there is 100% possibility for you to lose most of the fish before you crop them. So that is just the easiest way to go about it. You get the size, it might be right from juvenile, or you tell, after buying from for the person you patronize, you tell the person to help you raise it to jumbo size. That you should know, you will be the one to buy the feed and everything. So he will be the one to take care of the fish. If they are having problem and everything, he's going to contact you. So you both will know how to go about it. So once the fish reach the jumbo size, you can now pack it from their place, or rather you can start from juvenile. So those ones, they are strong enough to bear whatever experience you might get about the fish farm. So but starting with all these fingerlings and post fingerlings, it might likely affect you because you don't really know how to raise catfish. You don't know how to raise the baby ones, the fry. So from as a beginner, so you don't need to start from that point. So if you start from the juvenile, then you learn experience, you learn from people, then you get a very good feed formula. So you get a very good imported feed to feed them as well. So once you get all these things done, so you can now, little by little you can grow. So once you are done with that one and you do it successfully, like you do it like 2 to 3, 4 times, and you did it successfully, and you, even if you are going to have mortality, you have less mortality. So you can, from that experience, you can use that experience, you can add little to it and inquire more and read more, so you learn more about fish. Then you can now start from post fingerlings or the fingerlings. The reason why most people get post fingerlings is because the price is lesser than that of juvenile. So that is why most people prefer collecting the smaller ones. So and to handle them is always hard. So if you don't have experience, you might likely kill all the fish because they are very, very small fish. So they need experienced people to handle them. So we all know, like I do give examples, babies. If you don't know how to handle babies, you might likely not bring them up well. So that is it when it comes to fish farm too. So if you don't have experience or you don't know in and out of raising fingerlings or post fingerlings, you might likely have problem with them. So that is just the simple things I want you to know. So once you get the experience and you learn much and you rear your juvenile or jumbo successfully, and you get profit, so you rear them for something like 2 to 3 times, so you can use the experience to start another one. So by that, gradually you can become an expert in fish farm. So that is just all I want you to know about becoming an expert in fish farm as a beginner, as a novice. So you just stay on Addota Farm, keep on watching our video, like, share, and comment, make a comment. So we do love that. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe there, and we really appreciate that. Thanks for